Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. I'm trying to walk the dog and shoot a video to increase my efficiency. I'm not sure it makes for a good of either thing. Anyway, yeah, a lot to cover. First of all, InfoComm's 2 weeks away. We're excited about that. Looking forward to seeing all of you there. We will be showing Jetbot Recommend in Las Vegas, and it's a fantastic and powerful tool allowing you to kind of pre-populate a project as the starting point based on what you tell Jetbot. So you may say, let's, put together a conference system similar to what we did on the 4th floor for such and such client last summer. But in this case, there's an executive conference on the end, and there's only one medium conference room, but there's 5 huddle spaces. Plus they want signage in the lobby and speakers in the corridors or whatever. And then you can, say we'd like to use this brand of this on this section, and we want to do this on this section. It'll put all that together for you, and it can even run it through a set of schematics to make sure it's all going to talk and work together, and then come back and make adjustments and so forth. But from there, you've just saved yourselves a few hours of populating equipment or more. And, but now you can get in there and refine. You can do your human element to it. If you want to try Jetbot Recommend, just let us know. Jetbuilt Summit in Denver this fall. We have a early bird discount where, I don't remember the prices off the top of my head. Tucker, do you remember the prices? No, he doesn't remember them either, but they're right here on the site. The registrations are going so strong. I think we've already got, just in our first month of registration, we've got as many as all that came last year. And so we're excited about the response. But because of that, and some of you have to ask your boss and get this, and you're trying to work out the plans, we're going to extend that for 7 days. So you have till June 7th to get the early bird price. And then from there, you'll still be able to register over the next few months, but at the regular price. Let's see what else. Launch list 2. Crazy, good stuff. You can check the website and follow along with the launch list. These are your requests that you've given us at the shows and at Summit and through support. Let's go this way, buddy. I think there's margin lock as both a tool and a column in the builder, and drawing additions. Click on a wire and move a wire. I know that sounds kind of simple, but we were having Jetbot do that for you before. But many of you said, you know what, if it's just one wire, I want to be able to click it, drag it, change the port, and move on. And so we've allowed for that. We're also now rolling out flags. We don't have to draw every wire between devices. We can show them as a short stem with a flag with the destination where that wire goes to. We even have this hybrid mode where it can draw full paths for all the devices inside of a room. But if a wire is leaving a room to go to another room, it can appear as a flag and show you the destination to keep the wire, the quantity of wires off your page. I think that might do it. I think that covers just about everything. You can read the full email right here, and we look forward to seeing you in Vegas. This is Paul Dexter signing off.